midst of my trouble, I see joy.
And something happened that made all the disciples say, I'm willing to die to say that it's true. Are you willing to die to say that it's true? Remember what happened in Columbine? The guy walked up to the little girl. He said, renounce Jesus or I'm going to shoot you and I'm going to kill you. She said, you do what you have to do, but I will not renounce the Lord. And he shot her and he killed her. Blessed are you when men shall persecute you and revile you and say all manner of evil against you falsely for my name's sake. Rejoice and be exceedingly glad, for great is your reward in heaven. Oh, hallelujah.
The joy of the Lord is my strength. The joy of the Lord is my strength. The joy of the Lord is my strength, my strength.